am from Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my graduation in Bachelor of Commerce from University of Allahabad. After that, I got to know about Evision. Evision is an online learning platform. It's a very good platform for beginners as well as for experience also. I got to know about Evision and I enrolled from Evision in a certification course. And after that, mm, I got I got some live classes, and Evision teachers are very supportive. They are always available for you. 24 into 7 support they give. And if there is your any doubt or any problem, they always with you. They back up their students all time. They boost their confidence, and they are very helpful in every aspect. They have a lots of knowledge. They provide a good knowledge. They give a good job opportunity also. I also got a job from evision online learning platform. I got placed in IDEMIA Private Limited. My package is 2.8 LPA, and I got this job opportunity only because of evision. So I really appreciate the effort of evision and their teachers, and thankful to them. Evision is a best learning platform. Thank you so much, evision, for giving me such a beautiful placement and knowledge. Thank you.